Good morning. Hey, this is a couple of days after the snow and ice that we received here in the Buckeye State and elsewhere across the country. I thought I did the smart thing. I have a windshield protector that covers the entire windshield of our SUV. There's a pad that goes. You open the car door and you put the pad in and shut the car door. Then it protects the top side of the protector from moving. It keeps it down on the windshield, and you put one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Then there's an elastic spring, has a hook that you connect to the tire, to the rim, and it keeps the lower part down to protect the windshield wipers and that part of the windshield. So after a day of sleet, rain, freezing, all this wonderful stuff, I went out. It did a great job. However, the whole protector was iced packed to the car. So it was stuck. So took me a little while to get it off. So then I go to get in the car, realized that my side windows were ice covered. And my scraper, it was too thick for my lousy scrapers that I have. So I had to put some elbow grease and to get it off. But one of the things I forgot uh, when we had a relative stay with us from California a couple years ago, and she was not used to the weather, and so I made a mix of like 2/3 isopropyl alcohol and 1/3 water. And you put it in a little spray container like this, you keep it in your car. It won't freeze because the isopropyl alcohol was really good to minus 100 and some degrees from what I read. So you just take it, you keep it in your car, and you just do some spray in it. Like instantly will get rid of the frost. If it's light, it might take a second spray, but it will take care of your windshield because usually on the side windows, the rain sleet will drip down, and it's not as thick at the top. It's only thick at the bottom. Then you just have to scrape so you can roll the window down when you go through the drive-through to get a cup of coffee at Newgrounds Coffee House. So just 2/3 isopropyl alcohol, 1/3 water. That's not the only ingredient in there. That's the one that we use in the Hutchinson household, and it does a remarkable job. We want to remember to do it every winter. Thanks. Have a great day. Stay warm. Stay safe.